Welcome to the Hollywood Racks assembly video for the Destination E hitch-mounted bike rack. The Destination E is a platform-style rack designed for electric bikes. This rack will fit a 2-inch hitch and uses our no tools, no wobble system. Although not required, assembly is easiest when done on your vehicle's hitch. Insert the main frame with the integrated hitch tube into your vehicle's receiver hitch until it stops. Make sure the pin passes through the loop inside of the hitch tube. Insert the pin through the hole in the trailer hitch and receiver tube until it passes through the opposite side and install the lock. Install the control handle and attach the clip. Tighten the front lever until good and snug. The front lever position after tightening should always be pointed upwards or to the side to avoid damage when going up or down steep driveways. Prepare the main frame for assembly. Unhook the rubber safety straps and unlock both levers. Rotate the center mast up until it is aligned in the upright channel position. Push the levers in towards the mast to lock them in place. Reattach the rubber safety straps and wrap it around the lever, and secure it by attaching it on the other side. Locate the gray handle in the center of the rack. Turn the handle to the left to loosen. Once loose, push the handle away from the vehicle. This will allow the rack to tilt away from the vehicle. This is a key function in order to finish assembling the rack. When returning to the in-use position, lift the rack up towards the vehicle, push the handle in, and tighten the handle securely. Place the wheel holder onto the main frame. Note the position of the wheel chocks. The inside chock should be on the driver's side and the outside chock should be on the passenger side. Place the bridges on top of the wheel holder. Align the holes and insert the bolts through the bridge and pass them through the tubes of the wheel holders and main frame. Install the nuts on the end of the bolt for the outside bike position. Tighten securely using the included hex key and wrench and cover the nuts. Tilt the rack to easier install the bridge for the inside bike and secure the bolts. Place the washers on the end of the bolt for the inside bike position and install the nuts onto the bolts. Tighten securely using the included hex key and wrench and cover the nuts. Insert bolt through the buckle and pass it through the hole at the end of the wheel chock. Install the strap by placing the bolt through the hole. And secure with the knob. Secure the frame grabbers to the center mast by wrapping the Velcro strap around the mast post. Unhook the rubber straps from the mast. Unlock the levers and rotate the mast down towards the wheel holders. Secure the lever in the down position channel. Secure the rubber straps. Remove the pin from the hitch tube and rotate the rack towards the vehicle. Align the holes and reinsert the pin through the hitch tube and secure it using the clip. Slide the two pieces of the ramp apart. Install the knob. When using the ramp, attach the open end of the rack by placing it on the side of the wheel holder that does not have the chock.